In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GST in Zoho Books. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you'll be able to access the settings needed to create and manage your tax setup. If you're setting up GST for the first time, this process is quick and straightforward. And once it's saved, you'll be able to use that tax in your transactions moving forward. From inside your Zoho Books account, look toward the top area of the screen and click the gear icon. The gear icon is where Zoho Books keeps your settings and configuration options, so this is the place to go anytime you need to adjust account preferences, taxes, templates, or other system settings. After clicking the gear icon, find and select the Taxes section. This area allows you to manage all the tax rules that apply to your business transactions. If you already have existing taxes set up, you may see them listed here. If not, that's completely fine. You're about to add a new one. Once you're in the Taxes section, click on New Tax. This will open the form where you can create a tax entry. Here, simply enter the necessary details. The key information you'll need to provide is the tax name and the tax rate. For the name, enter GST, so it's clearly labelled and easy to recognise later when creating invoices, bills or other records. Then, enter the appropriate GST rate in the rate field. As you fill this in, make sure the spelling and percentage are correct, since this tax setup will affect how tax is calculated in your transactions. Taking a moment to double-check these details now can help you avoid having to edit records later. Once everything has been entered correctly, click Save. After saving, your GST tax will be added to Zoho Books and should become available for use wherever tax selection is required. That means, when you create sales or purchase transactions, you'll be able to choose the GST tax you just created. And that's it. You've successfully added GST in Zoho Books. This is an important setup step if you want your accounting records to stay accurate and your tax calculations to be consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.